Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 to a Samsung Odyssey G5 monitor in 2026. So if you are getting no signal, no sound, or just setting this up for the very first time, you can just follow these steps and you will be basically gaming in just a few minutes. So in the first step, you need to take the HDMI cable that came with your PlayStation 5. So you need to plug one end of it to the HDMI port on your PS5. After that, you need to plug the other end into the HDMI port on your Samsung Odyssey G5 monitor. Just make sure that the cable is firmly connected on both sides. So once you do this, you just have to turn on the monitor first. Then you need to power on your PS5. Now, if your screen stays blank, don't panic. We just need to select the correct input. So now you need to use the buttons under or behind the monitor. So when you are able to find the buttons, you just have to open the monitor menu. In the menu, you need to look for the option of input source. In the input source, simply select the HDMI. So after doing this, your PS5 screen should appear immediately. If you still see no signal, simply check the HDMI cable connection again. Try another HDMI port if your monitor has more than one. Also, make sure that the monitor is not set to the display port by mistake. So after doing this, you just have to basically wait and you will be able to easily connect a PS5 to a Samsung Odyssey G5 monitor in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.